and you want to make a friendship with the student at first time. So what will be your action? How you will make him friendship? So I will give you and that student is suppose Karan is the student and Shikha, you want to make friendship with him. And after that I will change the pattern. Shikha will be the student and Karan wants to make friend with her. So how you will make friend? So first of all, Shikha, you try. Karan, your character is to be a new student in the school, and in this time you will talk with her. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, please start, Shikha.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, hello, Karan. अरे मैंने उससे मोमोज लाने कही थी. Sorry, ma'am. Hello.
Yes.
How are you? I'm fine. अरे मैं दोस्ती करनी ना. दोस्ती तो मेरे को करनी है. अच्छा, ठीक है.
Hey, say in English.
Okay. Hello, Karan. Hello. So, will you do friendship with me? Why are you calling? Please say anything. What? What is this way you do? You please, friend. Please impress me. What is this way you please? Can we make friends? Is it compulsory that I impress you? Yes, it is compulsory. I'm saying in simple language, if you want to do, then do. Whether you don't want to do, the friendship then not do. No, I don't want to do. Then please do something, na. Okay, sorry. I will not. Okay. So now, will you do the friendship with me? Yes, okay. No problem. Okay. Yeah, okay then. Thank you.
You have to no. If you go suddenly to someone and saying that, will you make friendship with me? That person will get scared. Okay. So you have to do something you have to make a plan, or you have to start talking with that person. That means, hi Karan, how are you? What can I sit? Do you have the notes? What sir has given us? Oh, you didn't write. Don't worry, I will give you. This is the note, okay? This one is the note. You have to write all this. Okay, Karan, can you tell me one thing? How many brothers and sisters you have? What is your father's doing? Do you know my father is doing this one? And my mother teaches me in the evening, like that. Oh, Karan is telling, oh, like that. Okay. My mother also telling like that. And Shikha, do you know this game? I play so much. Like this conversation will start. In 1 second, friendship is starting or what? You have to say everything. You have to convince him. And Karan, you have to also convince her to make the friendship. That means how a friendship, two friends talks with each other, like that. You are completing in 1 second. Okay, you friendship. Okay, complete. This is not the way here. You have to say something about you have to convince him, or
shall I start?
Yes. Karan also have to answer you. Okay, so I will start from Karan. You start everything and you do your effort that she can be your friend. Okay, so start from now. 10 minutes you take. 10 minutes. Within 10 minutes you can say many things.
Hello. How are you?
Hello. I'm fine. And what about you?
I am great. I think you are new in the school.
Yeah, I'm new. And what's your name?
Oh. My name is Karanat. What's your name?
My name is Shikha.
Oh, nice name.
Thank you, but your name is also nice.
You
Yeah?
in next period there is a test of math. You know that?
Oh, no. I don't know about that.
No problem.
Did ma'am give any homework?
I revise you. What?
Did ma'am give any homework?
No. Only ma'am remind that tomorrow is the test.
Oh, whose chapter? Which chapter, sir?
I think 7 and 8 chapter.
These both?
Yeah. No problem. If you want, I will revise you.
Oh, thank you. Can you? You have a time?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you very much.
You have any brother?
Yeah, I have one brother.
Oh.
And you?
Yeah, I have 2 brothers.
Okay. Nice. What does your father do?
My father is a property dealer.
Oh,
What about your father?
yeah, my father is a government
What's about-
servant. He's a government servant. He's a government servant.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah.
What will your father do?
I said, my father is a government servant.
Oh, nice. You know about this game? This is very interesting.
Which game? Which game? Which game? What is the name of this game?
Subway Surf. Subway Surf.
Subway Surf. No.
Free Fire. You know about
Free Fire, yeah.
Free Fire?
Yeah, I know.
It is an interesting game.
Yeah, I know.
What about you? Which game you play?
Yeah, I play football and cricket, both.
Oh,
And you?
I also play cricket. I love cricket. It is my favorite game.
Oh. Can you tell me what is the period? What is it? In 8th period, what is the subject?
What?
In 8th period, whose subject?
Sorry, what you will say?
8th period is whose subject? When 8th period will come back. 2nd period is of English teachers.
Yeah.
In which day our sports period will? Hello.
I think
Karan.
I think he has network problem is there. Yes, but you talked with very nicely. All of the things you have
Sorry,
discussed.
ma'am, forget.
Okay.
Actually, network
She was
issue.
asking something.
Sorry for that. Actually, I have a network issue.
Yes, but she was asking you something.
Yeah. What you will ask from me?
I ask which day will the sports period?
I think it is the 3rd period, right?
Oh, which day? Monday, Tuesday. Oh, right there.
Monday and Tuesday. 4th period is the period of maths. Yeah. Monday, Tuesday, the 4th period is math.
Oh, okay. Thank you for telling.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. There is a period of Hindi.
In which period?
4th period. On Saturday, 4th period was Hindi.
Oh. Thanks for telling me.
Very good. You have done very well. You talked a bit with each other, and this is called group discussion also, and also talking with various means. This is also one called. Yes, like this, if you are talking and you will know very many good things in